Hello, so in this lab, we're going to be working on lab 10.3.6, which is to enable and disable Linux services. Okay, so you are the security analyst for a small corporate network. While working on your Linux server, you have determined that you need to enable and disable a few services. In this lab, your task is to use the systemctl command to enable and account the service. Use the systemctl command to disable VM2's service, and use each command. After each command, check that the service status with the systemctl is enabled command. So remember, this is lab 10.3.6, enable disable Linux services. So let's start up. If you notice that this video is a bit too fast for you, you can pause the video occasionally so that you'll be able to get my moves. I'm trying to be as fast as possible so that this video won't be too long. Alright, so let's start up. We'll go to our terminal and then use systemctl command. So systemctl, okay, and then space enable anaconda the service, and press enter. Systemctl dot. What are we doing next? Disable VTM tools st. Okay, disable vnt tools dot service, enter. And then what is the last option here after? Command check the service status. CTM is enabled command. Okay, so CTL is disabled. Let's see. Alright, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.